just got pranked by 5-year-old. Science.
Science? What science?
Art class.
Huh?
Art class.
Science tsaka art class?
Yeah.
Anong ginawa niyo sa science muna?
Did you know the thing, the explode thing? But it didn't went to the roof, only to the table.
Ano yan?
And then teacher just cleaned it.
Ano yan?
Volcano.
Ah, volcano.
I mean, I just make a slime. But it didn't want to my shirt and everything.
Ha? Totoo ba yan?
Yeah.
May ganun kayo activity?
Yeah. Did you know the baking soda go to the slime too?
Mm-hmm. Totoo yan?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask teacher.
Don't.
Why?
I'm just joking.
Oh my God.
You just got pranked by 5-year-old. I don't want to tell you to do school because I'm way too tired to tell it. So tired to tell it,
Why
and I
are you
don't.
so tired?
Cause I don't remember.
Okay, sasabihin mo lang sa akin, I write, I draw, I write my name. Why? So you didn't do science? You didn't do experiment? No?
No, did you know Greenwood cannot do science?
Why are you pranking me? Ay, naku, Marta. Kainis ka naman. Naniwala ako sa'yo.